we are just getting some sunflowers. We're gonna add it to what we sell down at the end of our driveway. So we're gonna go to the garden. Right, Miles? No more water. So we're almost there. Here's our garden here. So I don't know if you can see that. It's our beans, potatoes, and pumpkins. So we're going to park here. You gonna play, Miles? You gonna help mommy? So we're digging more potatoes today. Look at these pumpkins. Miles, look at. Wow. Check it out!
Hey, get out pumpkin! Get out pumpkin! Get out pumpkin! That pumpkin! See?
Yeah, I see it.
It's so good. See?
Oh, you like that one?
Yeah. Oh.
This one is so covered with pumpkins.
Selfie. 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 No, mine look selfie.
Softly?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Sorry. You gonna go in there?
I'm coming in there.
Whoa, careful. Ooh.
Just look.
Makes you want to keep digging. To pick some beans.
I got to a swamp. A swamp. Swamp. Oh, look. A bean. Oh, look. A
There's
bean,
a bean
Mommy.
in there?
Yeah, right there.
That's good because we have to pick some too. I think I'll do one more.
Oh, look. Oh, look.
Oh, is that a caterpillar? A worm? Okay, that's it.
Mom, look. I got the worms. See, worms.
Oh, yucky.
That's not yucky.
No?
They're not yucky.
They're not yucky?
See this?
Can you see it? Miles is showing you a worm. But can you see that?
Yep, show 'em.
Yeah. Okay. here we're washing our potatoes again. That's good enough, I think. We're here in the shade right now to clean our sunflowers. It's getting really sunny out there. That's a big bucket. I'm just gonna clean the sunflowers a little bit. So I'm just cleaning the leaves. Before I bundle them. So I just finished cleaning up everything here. Now I'm gonna finish bundling up. I'm getting hungry, Miles.
Yeah,
You too? Me too. Ah! So I tie them up here. Ooh, try that. So today we only have 1 beans, 4 potatoes, and with the sunflowers we have 3.
another potato.
So Miles wants to put a bag of potatoes in. Okay, so we're gonna bring it down to the laneway now. We're late again today.
Another sunflower.
Yep.
Oh, look, a big one.
So this is our setup for today. Hi Miles.
Hi.
Good thing we're done because we're low battery.
I'm all birthday.
Yeah. Do you like bikes?
Yeah, I like bikes.
And scooters?
Yeah, I like scooters.
And trains?
Yeah, I like trains.
And buses?
Yeah, I like buses.
And donuts?
Yeah, I like donuts, yeah.
And balls?
I like
And grapes?
I like rats.
Alright.